Gemma Frizelle is a Welsh rhythmic gymnastics. Gemma Frizelle has won gold medal in the rhythmic gymnastics final at Commonwealth Games 2022. She won an historic gold in the rhythmic gymnastics hoop final for Wales. She is competing in her second Commonwealth Games. Her score of 28.700 put her ahead of Cyprus' Anna Sokolova, who took silver with a score of 28.300, and Carmel Kalema of Canada, who claimed bronze on 28.200. Later, Louise Christie won silver in the ribbon event for Scotland, their first ever rhythmic gymnastics medal. Gemma Frizelle has been part of Britain's rhythmic squad for several years, and the Welsh star has already enjoyed a busy start to 2022. She finally tried artistic gymnastics but switched to rhythmic on the advice of a Welsh national choreographer. Gemma Frizelle followed in some very illustrious footsteps over the weekend after being crowned Welsh champion at the Rhythmic Welsh Open Championships. Gemma Frizelle has been selected to compete for Great Britain at the 2021 Rhythmic European Championships to be staged in Varna, Bulgaria. She was part of Team Wales at the last Commonwealth Games on Australia's Gold Coast in 2018. He is attached to Leonelli Rhythmic Gymnastics Academy, also competed at the Rhythmic World Championships.